this video, we are gonna try to reach a hypercharge level. You gotta see, and I hope I get it some luck because I just got this brawler. Miko. I got Miko, but I want Ali, which is, oh yeah, you see my touch. I want this better than this girl, the big girl. But if I get Ali, oh, so we get her right in the pocket. It's not lucky to get. Oh my god, damn it! So just keep on walking.
Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing.
Jump! Dang it, at least I have a streak, so I can get 20. Last game to getting a hypercharge. That's gonna be really good. I hope I get a brawler. I want a brawler. Or a hypercharge team. If I get a hypercharge team, but I will be happy if it's like Angel Edgar. You know what I'm saying? Oh my god! It's too slow, but it's too slow. Okay.
And the ocean goes to...
I died, but it's okay. Let's go a new world. I got to a new world. I got this. Nice. This is, this means the world. The moment of truth. I'm gonna let my dad touch the screen instead of me, just to get some luck. For gas? I don't even use gas. Oh, dang it! This thing is bad. Let me just play some games. I'm not gonna play with Nick anymore. It's kind of boring. I'm gonna use him. Gonna use Angel Lily. I'm gonna kill people with her. Yeah. Let's hope for the good. And wait, if there's no Kinji, I'm good. Yep, I'm good. No, never mind. No, I can. Oh, if he just attacks me, I can just vanish. Oh, she's spamming! She's a spammer! Oh my god, I hate them. I hate Star Nova. She's annoying. Load the freaking! Load the freaking! And now I'm back. Oh, bro, no. I know how. Wait, should I use? I'm gonna use him. I'm gonna use Cord. And he's a new brawler. And now he's gonna. And he is gonna be Prestige 2. No jokes, Prestige 2. I don't have his hyper spell, so he's maxed out. Oh, hello, Mr. Clancy, Mr. Crab. Here comes the money. Oh, no. Bum. 2 hits. This is how good Cordelia is like when you start overtime. Do you want to tell me? I have no idea. No, we should get that No! I hate Shelter. Wow! I'm getting minus instead. Oh my god. I'm gonna be mad. I'm mad. Let me. No Shelly. No shooters. Oh, that's good. But that is. Shit. Hold up. Oh, that's starting over. Let me get this. Stop. I hate these spammers, bro. Oh, we give it to you. Oh, that's Evan, my favorite brawler. He has the gadget. I'm not dead. Now we can just do it right away. There, I have my gadget ready. The best thing I can do is hide. They're strong brawlers because there's a Star Nova. And good thing I changed my name to like a name. I don't know what it's called. Oh no, yes, please. Oh, Elle didn't come into the place that I want her to come. Ooh, bang!
He's ready to rock. Just this time.
So you don't put your gadget. I'm dead because of freaking. I can let you guys see my thing. I don't have the thing that can learn and jump. Don't have the Mushroom Kingdom. So yeah, that's it. And he's maxed out because he's my favorite brawler, of course. And I have his gadget to be used cooldown like a lot. So yeah, it's a legendary and a legendary skin. And he's gonna be prestige too. No jokes, no jokes. If anyone wanna add me, yeah, that's my profile. I'm Lucid Tosan. Don't play that much of Flame. And I play a lot of showdowns. How about if I can't even, no more attempts, seriously? And if you guys think Cordelis is like so bad, some people, not people, but he's not bad. But in Showdown, he's imposter. He is a freaking imposter. When I mean imposter, I mean it. Because there is one thing that I mean attack fires one additional projectile. He's overpowered. Yo, Nori! Wanna run away? Run! I hate you. You're dead. Hey, you're dead also! You're not even maxed out yet. Hey. Oh, sniped! But I have to kill him. So yeah, this is for today's in this video. So see ya.